Welcome back to my channel. I'm Deanna Lee. I am a mom of 3 girls, wife, and entrepreneur. And today I was going to wash the dogs in this video. But when I went looking for the dog shampoo or the dog body wash or whatever you want to call it, we don't have any. We have all these leashes and collars, but we ain't got no like dog wash.
The season to open up the door. It's the spirit of the season to give them love some more.
Instead, we're going to clean. Today, I need to vacuum. I need to clean bathtubs because I have family coming down for Nora's first dance recital, which yes, you will get to see. And damn, what else I need to do? There's a lot actually on my to-do list. You know what? Let me go get my planner. Whew, okay. Got my planner. Yeah, I have this big old, if you see my stay organized video, you know this is my life, this planner. And yes, I have these papers because that's a different story, but I'm trying to figure out what I got to do today. So I actually had on there wash dogs. I had wash dogs and I had work out at 6 o'clock, but that ain't happening. So I'm working out after I record this intro, but I had on there wash dogs, but I can't do that. So, and then look, VLOGMAS, clean with me. Got that going on. So wash dogs is not happening. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a 20-minute workout. I used to do 30 minutes, but 20 minutes sounds so much better. I'm going to do my 20-minute workout. I'm going to start cleaning and then hop on my computer and try to finish all this stuff. I don't know. This is my Wednesday. I don't know what I'm going to title this video. I really don't. I like talking to y'all. I know y'all saying that. Let me just go. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do. Not figure out what I'm gonna do. I need to vacuum all this. Actually, since Queenie's over there, I'm just gonna go ahead and block her off. She's gonna get mad, but she'll be all right. And y'all see why in a minute. While I'm got a flying sleigh but Santa? Who keeps track of... She thinks she did something wrong. You gotta stay over there, Queen. Some doggy shampoo so I can wash the pups. But this is the reason why I had to block Queenie off. So, pet owners, you can't just vacuum anymore. You gotta put this stuff down. So I'm gonna put this down while I'm in the shower. Video I did where I cleaned the bathrooms. I think it was like Sunday Fun Day video. And really need to vacuum upstairs too. Dang, I still got that blanket to wash. Yo, I need that washer and dryer that tells you that you still got clothes in here. Cause baby, that was like Monday. Are these dry? They're damn near dry. Oh my gosh. All right. This is my clean bathroom cocktail. And I'm in my laundry room if you could not tell. This is my clean bathroom cocktail. So Clorox spray, I grabbed this one because this yellow bottle is almost empty. Clorox spray and Comet. You will not have to scrub if you do it right, I promise you. But if you stay in the bathroom too long, you will pass out. So the girl shower, I just cleaned it Sunday, so it's not like super duper dirty, but it could use a nice little clean before my family gets here. So I spray the, sorry y'all can't see, sugar honey I said I was doing. So I sprayed a little dirty little brown ring with Clorox all the way around. Spray the handles, everything to disinfect. And I spray this back wall part because Jalen takes showers, and then when water runs down, it gets dirty and mildewy and all that. So spray all that. Try to do this quickly so I don't pass out. Then I'll just sprinkle the Comet everywhere. I just, yep. Even on wherever I put the Clorox, that's where the Comet goes. The Clorox helps the Comet stick more, and the Comet has bleach in it. And I promise you, you're not going to spray. You're not going to have to scrub. And I did that. Bleh! And I've done this on a really, really, really dirty bathroom. So this is supposed to be my bathtub, but you see, yeah, it's supposed to be my bathtub. But don't that always happens when you have kids? Just got the shower. Yes, I put sweats and my pajama pants on. I don't get those YouTubers that, it's time to clean, and then they have jeans and a sweater on. You clean in jeans and a sweater? You sit at home in jeans and, I don't know. That's just me. This is me. Okay, unless I'm going somewhere, I'm going to be comfortable. As y'all found out yesterday from my video. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing for this tub. How long do I let it sit? Honestly, until I come back upstairs. It could be like an hour. Could be all day. It could be tomorrow. Yeah, so I just spray and just walk away. Spray, walk away. Spray, walk away. You sprayed and walk away. You sprayed and walk away. And then we come back upstairs and you see that tub. Cause you've got to take spray. You wash that tub. I'll just stop. So the carpet been sitting for more than 15 minutes. Now I'm about to go vacuum it up. So I know you're thinking, Deanna, why in the hell do you have so many DVDs? 90% of those are my husband's. So when I met my husband, he had, I'll probably say 1, 2, 3 shelves full of movies. And these are double shelved, okay? Like, these are two shelves deep, 2 stacks deep. So he probably had like 1, 2, 3, and then we started collecting movies. This is before Netflix and Hulu and stuff was like really big. So we collected movies together, and then I have some, and then of course, you know, to switch over to the Blu-ray, and then before we had streaming anything. So that's why. Why do we still have them? Because sometimes you just want to watch a certain movie and it is not on any streaming service. So that's why we still have them. Yeah. Because it's just like certain movies, like Christmas with the Cranks. I have yet to see that on. So that's just, yeah, that's the main reason why. And Baps, I will never get rid of that movie. I love Baps. So yeah, that's the main reason why we still have these. Sometimes you're in a mood to watch a certain movie on movie night and you just need it. Like, how long has it been since y'all seen The Mask? I love that freaking movie. I love Jim Carrey, so. So while I clean this, y'all can go through and see all the movies that you probably haven't seen in a while. Maybe if I back the camera up, you can see all of it, huh? Y'all can go through. And then some of these movies I've never heard of until I met my husband. Like this Shatas movie. Shatas, however you say it. Never seen that. Look at this. When was the last time y'all seen Super Mario Brothers? Yeah, that one. Sometimes you just be in the mood to watch a movie. And then the second row. So I vacuumed to get the hair up, so that way all I had to do was wipe. And it wouldn't take as long to clean these. And then try to get in between them. Look, hook, hook, hook. Who has the hook? And I am a movie head too, by the way. I love movies. Probably why I love doing YouTube videos so much, because I like how movies make you feel. Like how they edit it. Sometimes when I find mistakes in the movie, I'll be like, ooh, that's a mistake. Like she went into the lake wet. Well, she came out the lake wet, and now all of a sudden her clothes dry 2 seconds later. So things of that nature. 5 heartbeats. Not like this. Yeah, sometimes I be randomly. So I get into, let's clean and talk. So I randomly get into like moods where I'm like, all of a sudden I just want to watch nothing but musicals. So I watch Josie and the Pussycats, 5 Heartbeats. What else would I watch? Moulin Rouge. All those musical type movies, and I'll watch those, and it's funny. And then I'll have like a Disney mood. So trying to keep everybody healthy. Look, it's Spice World. Colors of your life. Good Burger. Blaze of Glory. I love Blaze of Glory. My husband's movie. Major Pain. If that goes missing, he would know, like, immediately if that one goes missing. He loves that movie. I love scary movies. I love scaring people, and I love scary movies. My husband hates it. Well, he hates ghost movies. I love ghost movies, demon movies. I don't freaking worship the devil. I just love those movies because some of them are based off true stories. And I love freaking researching stuff to see what really happened. So like The Conjuring, boy, when I found out that was based off a true story, I think we had that movie. Or no, I think my husband doesn't. My husband's terrified of that movie, so we don't have it. But I love that movie, The Conjuring. And I really want it. Wait, did I put that on the wrong shelf? I think I did. It's supposed to go here. But I love the movie Conjuring. And I love just because I believe in ghosts. I believe in the devil. I believe in God. And it's like, especially when they're based on true stories, it's like a confirmation of my belief that somebody else had experience with the devil. Like, it just shows that the devil is real. And devil's real, that means God's real. So that's what I guess that's why I like those movies. But yes, love Jawbreaker. When's the last time you see Ernest Goes to Camp, Ernest Scared Stupid, and Ernest Goes to Jail? Flintstones. Told you, Disney girl, blank check. So, all these movies. Like, we just need to have, like, a movie theater in our backyard and just start showing some of these movies. Y'all let me know in the comments which ones did y'all see from my cleaning that you haven't seen in a while. Boy, Kicking It Old School, me and my baby sister killed this movie. This movie is hilarious. I love this movie. All right, beautiful people, I'm done cleaning. You're done cleaning with me. No, I did not clean that spot under the dog cage because it's my house and I don't have to clean it if I don't want to. But I'm done cleaning. I am actually 34 minutes off where I would like to be, but it's okay. Yeah, so I'm just about to eat some breakfast and then start on my work. I need to record some reels, but I might record them after I pick up Jalen because I'll look better. But I know this is a really long video because I didn't want to do a lot of speed throughs or speed ups because I was talking and I want y'all to hear what I'm saying for that time while I was cleaning. Okay, I'm done talking. I'm sorry, I held y'all long enough. So I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Christmas Day.